Need DoorDash support? You have three main options within the app: live chat, phone support, and the Help Center. Live chat offers quick assistance via text, often using an AI chatbot for immediate answers. Phone support connects you directly to a live agent. The Help Center is a self-service resource with articles and FAQs. All options are accessible through the support section, typically found via a three-dot icon in the DoorDash app or website. Choose the method that best suits your needs for fast and effective issue resolution. To access DoorDash support, first open the DoorDash app or visit their website and log in. Next, look for the three-dot icon, often labeled More, in the app's navigation. Then tap or click Support. From here, you can select Live Chat to start a text conversation with potentially AI-driven initial responses, find the phone support number for direct assistance, or browse the Help Center for self-service articles and troubleshooting. Remember, account login is required for personalized assistance and security.